In today's video, I'll show you the best Logitech Pro X2 Lightspeed best setting. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the Logitech G Hub, which is going to be the main application for our Logitech devices. And from there, head over to the headphones option. Now, finding the best headphones or the best setting for our headphones is going to be relatively easy because you can simply get it as a preset setting. To do that, head over to the headphones options, scroll down to the presets, and then you will be able to find the browse more presets at the bottom of this page right here. From there, it will then take you to this option where you can see categories. You can see some presets right here, but you simply want to click on this sort menu, click on the most downloaded option, and from there you can simply get the best setting by clicking on the top downloaded preset right here, which is going to be from Infernal Fighter. But if you're asking for generally what is the best setting, in my case this is going to be the best option right here. Now for this one, we have 80, or we have this specific setting. You have your system volume right here. You can just follow this setting that I've put out, and from there you are good to go. So you can test out my personal best setting, or you can simply test out what generally works for everyone, which is going to be the most downloaded setting on the presets downloaded. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.